Welcome everyone back to Sons of the Forest, where we're gonna be continuing the video save. But I've done lots. I mean, all I done is I explored the little bit that we're on, and I found a couple of things, and one of them is relatively new, not this update, last update, but we did find well, I'll just tell you it when this loading, but I made a little upgrade to the wall, so I added some defensive spikes, and I got a campfire, a drying rack for tons of fish. I think it was another holder, more. I actually kind of forgot. You know what? I'll see when we're in the game. So, wow, that's actually weird. That's loud. Loud boy. Got some bone armor as well, because an enemy came up. Oh, Virginia. I have not seen her yet. So I got the cooking pot. Oh, drying racks. Yeah, there's the defensive spikes. This, oh, a stick. There's a stick right in my base to make another drying rack. But wait, did we get her trust? I'm not sure. Hello! I come with no harm, I come with peace. Peace! Okay. Also, I saw that you can go to these, but zoom out and you see this, like right up there. So that's where we're gonna be going today. First of all, actually I think we're kinda good, you know? Just load up a little bit of firewood. Wait, hopefully we can even get any. Alright. Let's get some firewood. But, you know, a start to there. So, that's pretty nice. Well, let's head on over to that area. Alright, just needed to do a little thing, but get our axe out just in case for enemies. Axe. And our map. Okay, so it's that we're heading for. That's pretty far, but we also have a buff. It's like an axe buff. I think that's for like tree chopping, which I have not done much of. Oh, shit. Oh, what? I don't want to be here. There's gonna be cannibals. What am I lagging out? There's something. Wait, is Kelvin following? Oh no. I should have got Kelvin to follow. Alright, we'll be right back with Kelvin. Alright, we're just right back with Kelvin. Okay, it keeps taking a little long of a pause. Wait, let's just test out with the berries. It's not broken. The world isn't broken, so I mean, it's just like something. Maybe the water? I don't know. But we're gonna head up I mean, all we need to do is follow the stream. But by the way, that was just my mouse turning because the wire's way too long. Jeez, what's actually like causing this? Alright, I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. Alright, so I'm not sure if it's water that's causing that, but I've been getting a little low on that. Alright, well, where are we? Okay, we're still getting it. Just ignore that. It's just ignore it. Oh, alright, so see, on the map, wait. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Okay, on the UPS, if you just look there. UPS, what? Okay, if you just look. Oh! Oh, whoa, wait. Oh, shoot. Hey, I'm sorry, but I don't want to fight. Hey, you know, I'll show him. Alright, maybe he's a little better than me. Okay, if you attack Kelvin, you're out. Oh, come on, man! Actually, I'm gonna need some bones. Okay, are you kidding me? Yeah, I'll just take my spear out, you know. Chuck it at your head. Hey, mine! Hey, man, I didn't mean that. I didn't, bro. Okay. Oh, you little shit. Alright, well, now you're taking the piss. Man, I just hit Kelvin. This is dumb shit. Okay, you're taking the piss now, lad. Okay, well, what the hell? How? Okay, what? He just ran away with my spear. Oh, bloody hell, what's causing that? Why are you so aggressive? I cannot even PvP, you dumb. Bro, I'm literally swear, I literally want to quit. Bro, what's causing this stupid lag issues? I turned everything to low. Mate, I see you. I'm not dumb, you little prick. Okay, you dumb shit. How do you even PvP in this? Bro, you think I'm gonna spare you? I will literally cut you into pieces. What's causing the lag? I am literally out of rage so hard. Alright, we're coming back for you or something. I have no... Bloody hell, he took all of my armor. That little... Are you kidding me? There's no way there's more. No. I swear, do I have to fight you? And there's a muddy! Okay, it's only if he comes. Okay, he's not. I'm not gonna bother with him. That idiot. He's just gonna keep on coming, you know? He's just gonna keep on rolling. He's in the bushes. What are you trying to do? Okay, what's lagging me? Okay, I have literally no clue on what's causing that. So... Okay, if he's just gonna take the piss and run away, I don't care. Alright, where do we have to even go? Oh, shoot. Are you here somehow? Oh, come on, mate. Okay, well, he's just gonna hop onto his defensive rock position. Yeah, I really wish the spear was a little better. Wait, I really wish this guy wasn't like... He's like, your friend here! Hey, yeah, you gonna take the piss, mate? That guy's just gonna hop onto a tree. Well, I'm not scared of you hopping onto a tree. Hoo-ha. Hoo-ha-rah. Oh, cool, you're doing tree parkour. When is this guy gonna stop doing the borns? Look, I'll come closer. Is this what you want? Okay, yeah. You don't? I don't care. How are you even doing that? You don't make sense. You scum dude. Well, now you're off, but you're just a little wuss, you know. You're just gonna. What are you doing, man? Oh man, oh man. See, the strong. Yes. Oh man, oh man. Whoa, whoa, man. You're just gonna. Oh my God! If you dare. Oh, just piss off, mate. I'm trying to fight this son of a sons of the forest. I was about to let go of my block. Okay, bro, you're just sucker. You just try to frickin'. He's such a wuss. He's using all of the tactics he can on me. He's doing the intimidative. Oh, come on! You done the look away thing and then jump scare me. Okay, you just. I'm just gonna go all out on you now. Oh, you. Okay, you deserve this. Oh, finally! I swear. Oh, you. How many is there? Stupid. 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 Stupid, stupid, stupid! How is there so many cannibals on like day 0? Bro, this is like day 2. So supposed to be any cannibals. You good, man? Yeah, I'm good. I'm not gonna bother with your annoying, dumb, and just outrageous attacks. Like, you can go. Alright, maybe I was a little dumb pulling up on a effing village or outpost. I don't know what they're called. And what the hell do you guys want? Okay, look, if you guys are gonna. Oh shit, he sees me. What? No, you cannot. That's the strong, that's the heavy. Nope. Oh, you sunken bitch. Come on, I wish I had aim. Just like I could stop and pop them. Okay, if they're just gonna be, I'm gonna follow them because they can just sucker punch me, you know? Attack me with those nonsense. Okay, you know, if they're gonna run away, they're gonna do way too much. Bro, we need to eat, we need to drink like an energy. Is this like good food? It's burnt. I'll eat it. Oh, that's gonna give us less stamina. Oh no, it gave us like an inch of stamina, like a pixel. Okay, look, I don't have time. I'm just sprinting there. Okay, screw. Piss off. Piss off, mate. Piss off. I don't want any shenanigans. I just want fresh start. Some weapons. Blom, blom, blom. Anything, you know. Okay, this is a little better. I'm zooming in on it now. Cook buff wore off, Greg. Okay. Well, alright there. Let's just check. Do we need anything? Well, we could have something to drink. Let's have a couple oysters. See how much that improves our stamina. Not much. Okay, so it really just stopped giving us anything. So, yeah, we're gonna need to... Oh, shoot. This is the important zone. Oh, what's this? Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's not all we worked for. Hey, do we need this? No. Oh, look at that. You have a save here. Okay, you need to be really careful. Kelvin! Kelvin! Whoa! What? The modern axe! Look at that! Modern axe area. Well, this is the place to be then, if there's the modern axe. Vodka bottles, dude. That's like the most important. Oh, dude, 2 more? I'm taking it. What's that? Flyamantana? Oh, shoot. I don't think I should be hitting when I got, you know, this. Okay. I can, like, just hold to eat and open it. Okay, I don't care about that. Stones. We're still not even at the bit that... Another cooking pot? Dude, an MRE? Dude. There's gonna be lots of enemies, I bet. So let's... heal. Yeah, with a drink. Wait, it needs to be food. Oh. I don't want to eat an MRE. Because what's the point? I'm just wasting a fresh MRE. That, dude, I could be using. For what? A heal? I can use, like, meds. I got 4 med containers. That's almost full. If I use one, surely it won't hurt. What? Look, I don't understand you. Where are we supposed to effing go? Making a long, treacherous journey to the dead body. What is that? Okay, look, I think I'll know where to go. I think. Well, at least I think. You know, okay, look, this is a tip. If you see this, it heals even when you're in pause mode. Which, if you don't know what pause mode is your inventory. So, definitely mind going into pause mode when you're in a fight. Like in caves, it's perfect. Just when you need a little bit of preparation. Oh, cool. What's this? Some rope. Can you even smash this down? No. Oh, you can. Well, that's surprising. Wait. Is this a flashlight location? No, the flashlight I swear is like in a cave. Okay, guys, cool, I don't care. No, this has to be like, this is the important area, so there's not just the modern axe and like some vodka. Oh, there's the flashlight and some vodka, lots of it, and a GPS locator. Okay, so it doesn't seem like he can splatter. Alright, well, I think we should go home. Get Gilly Gally home. Well, or we can go to the cave. That'll be another episode. I guess we really just came out here for one of the best weapons. Oh, you can literally not collect logs from those things. Alright, well, That's cool. Whoa. What's up here? Yo, perfect. Oh, I'm so fucking sorry. I, like, apologize to the fucking standard. What the fuck was that, mate? Okay, don't say that there's an important item here. Because I'm trying to get the fuck out. And oh, crap! I can't zoom in because I don't know how to do that. Energy bar. I really hope they're not following me right now. Oh, what is that? What is it? I'm just paranoid. Paranoid is pookie dookie. I'm about to poop and dirk in my shoofin'. I really thought these were like stumps so you could get like 1 or 2 logs off of those things. Oh, look, a deer. Well, it's perfect to use. Okay, I guess I'm really bad with it. You know, I'm gonna just like do this the whole way there. So if like someone tries to attack me. Right, and look at this trick. Wow, guys. You just needed that little health boost. I wonder if this like takes up a little more stamina. Oh yeah, we're back here at the weird corn dog. No, that's not a corn dog. That's like, oh, that's where the frickin' thing is. Alright, we need to be careful because that's like super close to our base. And by super close, I mean like a little walk, you know? Well, what am I supposed to know? What? Whoa. Stupid. Who done that? Oh, yo. What is this? What, item? Free item. Oh, you stupid. This is why they gave me this. Just gonna pull up on me. You're just trying to pull up. Yeah, I'll do it. Fine then, it's a no. I didn't even see the sons of a monkey. Awkward. Kelvin, run! Moose, help me, Moose! Even the moose is scared. When I get home, there's gonna be like 10 million of them following me. Moose! Moose! See how powerful this thing is by hunting a moose! Dude, skin. 2 animal hides. 5 meats. Big. Just son of a forest. What is this? I'm just getting constantly chased and I have no sight of the beach yet. Kelvin, just try to follow me. This feels like the original, like, public alpha 0.01 version of the forest. Like, it feels like that. Like, the original spot, it was just all a forest. Like, you got, like, half of a bit. You, like, got a little bit free room, and that's usually you gotta like chop down. I mean, if you know. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's the beach. Wait, dude, we're on the wrong side. Our base is like away from here. We should be able to spot our base, which is not quite big, but still it's amazing. Yeah, I have no clue. when I'm talking about the base. Okay, that is insane. You know, maybe I might just eat some of that Greg for a little bit of health boost. Heard it gives you, you know, a nice sum of health. And, cheese. No, it doesn't. Wait, what? It does not really give you a nice, like, bit of health. Alright, might. You know, should we have that up later and then get like another fire out? Dude, that will be perfect. We should just whip out another fire. Oh. You son of a... Scared me. Still feel like there'll be like a guy trying to sneak up. It's like, whoa, 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 what do you want, mate? Actually, I think it's 9 rocks. You know, we'll see. No, it's 7. Why did I take so much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, I was right. But wait, guys, that's not it. That's not it, you know? You still gotta do... Wait, what? Can you... Wait. Can you not do it anymore by standing? Like, standing on the log. No, it's not as easy anymore to just do it when standing, like, on the log. If you don't know, you used to be able to easily chop just by, you know, standing on it. I feel like I'm gonna do the Kelvin special. I have no clue what that is, but it's alright. I mean, it sounds alright. Hope it is alright. And then I'ma just like get a 1 singular piece. And you're probably wondering, hey, what you can even cook on here? The cooking pot, you dumbos. Alright, look at this. E, cooking pot, magic. Wait, it's empty. Not magic. Water required. Wait, not magic. Alright. Gee, you got 6 vodka bottles. You know, we're gonna need to set up traps for the visitors, huh? Alright, look. E, if you fill this up, it's an instant. But there's a Kelvin special where I know that you need like 4 fish for. You might see it. Oh, okay. Free fish and an oyster. Alright. Well, Kelvin, will you fish for me? Get some fishes, and I don't have a holder for fish, and just drop here, mate. Oh, well, this is going to be survival. Survival? What? Why not? I don't know what he was doing. Alright, and while he's doing that, let's lay out the schematics of the traps. You know what? Alright, we're gonna do like around the edge here. One of these. See how much we can fill that in. No, not much. Just something we need to do. Maybe like 1 right here. We're gonna need a little much. We'll have 3. And then we can maybe make a bone maker. Kelvin has dropped 1 fish for us. Well, we've actually finished. No, I thought we would have like not much left. All right, is that good? Yeah, we can have like a spikes around them. No. And then we'll have the bone maker trap. round like the side. So if anyone decides that they want to go around the side, no, they're gonna get like blown and turned into bones, literally. Kelvin, I want you to make another get another fish quickly. And then, dude, look, we're gonna have this side go out a little as well. I'm just paranoid that someone will like pop up. You, right? You can stop now, Kelvin. No, he doesn't want to. Okay, yes. Alright, I'm just gonna say take a break, mate, because you've literally died. He was like sent to the heavens. Right. Oh no! Oh no! Alright. 1, 2, 3. Then let's get the oyster and make the Kelvin special, and let's make some of that. Right now, look, the flice water, perfect. We'll have this, but this time it will be in between the bone maker trap, and then there's gonna be like 4 around there, and then a couple here. I'm gonna need to eat immediately. You know what? We already got 2 cooking pots, so it's not like we need more. But, okay, when that's done, but then I think we'll have spikes extending until here, and then a main point for stronger guys, so like maybe spring traps around it. And then if someone's coming from like there, it will be demolished. And like down here, the stream, if they are, then that's our vulnerable point, and we can make like a wall there. So I'm thinking what I want to do. But for now, you know, let's get a couple of things for them. Like only 7 rocks. I'm thinking I want to finish like this side up first. Alright, so we need to ask Kelvin for some sticks. Kelvin, where are you? What? I think he took taking a break a little too... He's in the forest. What? And Virginia's back. Hello? Alright, let's eat the Kelvin's. I don't think he likes the Kelvin special. That gives us like no health. I think that's what it's supposed to do, you know, give us less health than what we're originally, like, getting. Kelvin, hello? Kelvin, where have you gone? He's running! Kelvin took taking a break a little too easily. Like, she's like a little too literally, cause like, it's like, no, I'm gonna take. How do you traverse up here, Kelvin? Oh, I see now. You like went around the side fence or something. Kelvin, it says he's right in front of me. What? Kelvin, why are you here? Get sticks and give to me. Right, man? Jeez. He went like a mile away. Think he was like gonna meet his friend Break or something, and he was gonna like take him here. You know what? Actually, this is like a really good to gather 6 leaves. Now let's just get like 100 and a little. Whoa, that's a tree. Okay, now we walk around spamming E until our inventory is full, because there's way too many sticks that are just in these little patches around the world. Like, we didn't even finish that and we're full with 20 already. So, yeah, I'ma get it done a little more and then come back to you guys with the final result. Alright, I just wanted to give you guys a little update, but I'm just going to the secret spot which I uploaded on my YouTube. No, well, you guys know where I would upload it, YouTube, but I showed that basically over there is a secret spot, or if you live like here or relatively close, you should always go and like stop and pick up these, because if you don't know, they have what I've heard some of the most important materials. Now they say it's like almost impossible to complete the game without these, and like for new players it would be impossible. Like, how do I guys get resources in Sons of the Forest with like not knowing how to do it? So this is like the main reason you should set up a camp near the beach. And I'm just gonna also show you guys the spot, which is, if you take a look, there's these two huge little areas, and then like, okay, the bird was like cannibal, I thought, and then you'll go here and then turn. And there's 2 spots. This one has all of the items. And this is also how you get oysters. Like, you come to the edge here. And then you pick them up off the side. Sad because you can only carry 5 of them. And it's like not health beneficial or anything like that. It's just like something cooler if you want the Kelvin special for lots of your cooking pots. I don't know, you might, but like that's the thing. Very scarce resources without knowing how to get them. So I'm gonna just head on back and like half complete the parts. Oh, and that gives you 3 pieces of rope. Because I have 4 actually. I don't know how. Wait, did I free? No, wait, yeah. 3 minus 5, so that's 2 ropes left over. So there's only 3 ropes over there, guys. So, wait, is that Kelvin taking a break? Huh, well, I'm gonna finish it off.